HDKATOV is a professional custom broadcast control panel designed for multi-camera live production. In real production environments, complexity keeps increasing, but efficiency becomes the real challenge. KD50B unifies major production systems into one control surface. From instant cuts to cinematic transitions, every switch becomes part of the storytelling. Fully supported by Bitfocus Companion, turn your control panel into a powerful central hub. Connect hundreds of production devices, customize key functions, and automate workflows. Boost efficiency for live streaming and on-site production. Powered by Bitfocus Companion, plus fully customizable key lights. Set colors and light effects as you like, identify functions and device status at a glance, and make your workflow more efficient. Deep integration enables unified control across switching, streaming, and PTZ systems. Native support for ATEM devices, complete transitions, and signal switching with ease. Built-in full MIDI support allows you to connect external MIDI devices for expanded control. It features seamless integration with popular vMix software. Switch live feeds, load presets, activate transitions, and adjust audio via MIDI commands reliably. Featuring multi-protocol compatibility and mainstream software adaptation, it is an ideal solution for live streaming, recording, and on-site event production. Supports online configuration via web backend. Edit key functions and combined actions with one click, and customize personalized layouts freely. It delivers global scheduling capability for up to 40 input signals. Built for live production and multi-camera environments.